Hello, welcome to Market Wealth. Today we're going to see some simple Bank Nifty scalping techniques. I'll try to keep it short. Please use 1.5x if you think it's a little slow. Right. So this is just one strategy we're going to see today. And what you're seeing here is 50 EMA in 5 minutes. And here we are using 3 minutes. So I've used 83 EMA. And this is DMA. This is not much of significance, so I'm going to remove this for now. But this is a 83 EMA in 3 minutes Bank Nifty futures. Right? You could use 80 EMA, 81, 83. Doesn't make a big difference, but around 80 plus. And this is same as 50 EMA in 5-minute chart. So if I go to, so you can look at it. This is touching at 12:30 on 16th May 2025. If I go to 5-minute and make this to 50, yep, you can see around 12:30 it is touching in the EMA. So this is same as 50 EMA in 5 minutes and 80 EMA in 3 minutes. I've used 83. Change this to 83. All right, now this strategy is very simple and straightforward. So whenever the market is trending, the first touch point in 50 EMA or this 80 EMA is quite a support. So after a trend, remember, it's not every time when the market touches 80 EMA it's not going to bounce back. Whenever there is a trend and then there is a touch, then the market is going to go up. So simply I just keep it as this way, right? So whenever the market is not touching or trending away from this 80 EMA for some time and then it comes back and touches it, it will have a bounce back. So I've just moved this to May 2nd, so you can actually look at it. So the market has trended quite high. This is a big trend that has happened, but this is not a trending, this is an impulsive move, but still, and it has now came back and touched the 50 EMA right here, and then look at it, there is a small bounce back and you can scalp off 15 to 20 points easily. And this next candle has gone up 40, and so this, when this candle closes, the close of this red candle that is touching this 50 EMA or this 80 EMA, you will enter call, right? And this is going to easily give you 20 to 30 points in options and 50 points in futures, right? So this is a good trended move. So here, so don't enter in as soon as the candle touches 50 or this 80 EMA. So wait for the candle to close, right? I always try to wait for the candle to close. So here, so this is now gone way above 80 EMA, right? I would still enter this PE here and make it all the way till here, right? And this is an easy 100 point in future, which means 50 points in options, right? So this market has trended a long way, maybe couple of hours without even touching the 80 EMA. So that's another trade. So if you look at it here, so this is a nice move for a long time without touching 80 EMA, and then here there is a bounce off, and this point I would exit, and this is a stop loss, right? So this is a very clear stop loss. You would have entered in this green candle that is doji at 1324, and then probably exit somewhere here because it is not reversed, right? So especially if it is a trending day, it is very good. So if you look at it, and this one, this red candle would be a right entry. This is at 14 on May 6th. This is a very good entry, and then exit is around 30, 40, 50 points in options, right? So this is a very simple strategy, guys. You can use it. Just wait for a good trend to happen above the 80 EMA in 3 minutes and then enter the first time, right? Don't enter every time, just the first touch point is really profitable, right? So look at this. This is a good, nice trend after, and this is all the way above, you know, the EMA. And then either you could have entered here, maybe if you think this is not an exact entry, enter here, right? And this red candle, if you enter CE in this candle at 1325, the next candle easily would have got 40 to 50 points, right? So if you look at it from here till here, that's 40-50 points. And one more opportunity, that is at this point. Maybe this is the end of the day, so you would not have entered, right? But you get the idea, right? So this is a clear stop loss. You would enter here and then exit here. It did not wait, right? I mean, it just did not bounce back. It closed well below or beyond the EMA, so you could exit. So this is a good trend, or it did not touch for a long time. And then here is a very small risk you're taking, and you would have made decent money. And this is a stop loss, or you could still scalp a little bit, 30-40 points, right? So you get the idea. You can backtest it and get some confidence. That said, thank you. See you in next video.